Hi everyone, my name's Louisa.
I'm Reese.
And I'm Chelsea, and we've nominated
Meadow Street Garden Project.
Meadow Street Garden Project is a project based with the EPS Forum and Pontypridd Town Council. It was a chance for our forums to get back into the local community, give a little bit back, learn new skills, and generally just get a part of the environment back into their lives. They've had the opportunity to learn about planting their own vegetables, growing them at home, and ultimately preparing their own food. Something they've all thoroughly enjoyed, and we hope they've taken a lot from it.
Apart from that, we also built hedgehog houses, we created paths, and we also done willow weaving as well. So some of the young people who attended the project were chosen to meet with Prince William and Princess Kate. So they came to the gardens, met with the young people, asked us what we were doing. We said that we were making jam, and then that started Jam Wars, where it was all over the newspapers.
So the project's been going on for over a year and a half, and the dedication of the young people has been amazing. They've turned up to every session, come rain or shine, and we're so proud to see the hard work they've put in. And usually young people wouldn't do this type of activity, and they've absolutely thrived in it, so we're really proud of you.
Good luck everyone!